In this video, how to change Tradingview background, I will show you step by step how to change the chart background in Tradingview. First, go to the Tradingview website in your browser. Log in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, open any financial chart. Now look for the chart settings icon. The icon usually looks like a gear at the top of the screen. Click the settings icon to open the menu. Inside the menu, click on the Appearance tab. Now find the background color option called Background. Click the current color to open the color picker. Choose the color you want to use as the chart background. You can select a light or dark color. After choosing the color, click OK to confirm. The chart background will change immediately. You can also enable dark mode if you prefer a darker theme. After adjusting the settings, click Save to keep the changes. Now your Tradingview background is customized based on your preference.